Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on Voidpet Dungeon tips and tricks, okay? If you're just starting in Voidpet Dungeon, the mechanics can feel a little bit overwhelming. Today we're going to cover the essential tips and tricks for beginners to help you optimize your gameplay and stop wasting valuable resources. So let's get right into it. First of all guys, make sure that you actually sort by personality, okay? A pet's personality trait directly correlates to its base stats. The highest that a single base stat can be is 62, and the lowest is actually 0. So if you want to build the strongest team, I recommend you just go to your inventory, to your void pet, and you basically have to sort your pets by level in here. As you can see, this is going to help you easily identify which pets are going to have the highest stat totals for your combat lineup, okay? You can also use other filters such as the species and the bibit and things like that, okay? Because at the end you're going to have so many that you want to sort them out. Also guys, make sure you log your best pets, okay? Accidentally releasing a high stat pet is a frustrating mistake that happens all the time. As you can see here, what we can do is we can actually delete this pet. But yeah, okay, so as soon as you catch a void pet with good stats or a rare vivid color, tap on it and let's just lock it, okay? So it's not actually gonna go like by accident, okay? So keep that in mind. Alright? This is going to ensure that you can safely mass release the rest of your lower level catches without losing your best fighters. Alright guys, what is the best step that I want to give you besides this is basically leveling up through the battle, okay? So do not waste your void matter buying food to level up your pets, because the most efficient way to gain experience is to combat. So what I want to do is I just want to clear all of the battles, all of the floors, okay? So just push through the campaign notes, because beating NPCs and bosses are going to yield plenty of experience for your entire team, showing you or allowing you to save your void matter for cosmetic or other upgrades. Okay, so keep that in mind guys. Also guys, make sure to choose the right care plan. So when you're basically nurturing your plants or your pets basically for eggs, pay attention to your plan. If you're on a guided plan, you're gonna get fewer crises daily, but it's gonna cost you less to craft like a legendary egg, okay? So you have to keep this in mind. Just pick the style that is gonna match your daily playtime, okay? And like I said before, the most important tip is actually just to go through the floors, and to be very efficient with your pet selection, okay? Also, do not put all of your eggs in one basket in one pet. Make sure you level all of them accordingly, okay? Because otherwise you're gonna have one that is gonna be very power up, but the other are gonna be useless. So it's not gonna be good, okay? So that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.